Revisiting the washer motor turbine a little bit. We've got this thing set up to where, I don't know, it was at least turning in some wind, but it's not holding up very well. Very loose, very floppy. And the little helpers that I made for it, they at least got the thing to where it was turning, but not very smoothly, not very well. A lot of drag. It didn't work very well in the end. So we're going to give, it's also a little bit too small, I think. We're going to give this a shot. Can't even get the whole thing in the picture. I have the set of East Breeze blades laying around. Of course, I've got them for another project, but in the meantime, we're gonna try it with this one. It might be a little while before I get the other project going. I made a hub for this thing. Basically, I cut 3 pieces of 2-inch strap at 120 degrees. And it came out okay. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever done, but it'll work. It'll do the job. I have got it bored out to where it'll go right on that turbine up in the air. I'm going to have to raise it up a little bit to clear my crossbars, but that's that. We're going to try this and see how it works. Alright, of course, wind's not really blowing too much. It's also raining, but man, that makes that wheel look huge. Hello, some lightning. So it runs on it. It is running super smooth. Actually, I'm probably gonna have to climb that ladder and make sure it's not gonna hit that crossbar. Might have to go ahead and put the brakes on anyway. Looks like it might have slipped. But, okay, now, the most I saw with my ghetto wheel over here was like 50 or 60 watts. Right now I've got it hooked up to a 48 volt circuit, which I think is appropriate. I think that's appropriate. And I don't have a good meter that's going to log total output, but we saw 325 watts peak with that wheel and 7 amps coming off of, someone told me it's a Samsung motor. I thought all of these motors were the F&P setups, but you know, 7 amps and 325 watts off of that motor. 325 watts, 7 amps. Okay. So I really want to see that thing make more power than that. And I think it's possible. There's a lot of copper and magnet there. But we'll have to give it some time and see. So that's that. It's at least a little bit of an improvement over what we saw before. Stay tuned for more updates. Have a nice evening, guys. Stay warm and dry.